Welcome back, traders and investors, to the Beginner's Guide to finding the best exchange-traded funds on Barchart.com. If you're new to ETFs or just want a faster way to find the best ones for your strategy, Barchart has a full suite of ETF tools from screeners to watchlists to performance charts. In this video, we'll give you a beginner's guide to ETFs on Barchart, show you how to filter by your own watch list, use pre-made screeners for new opportunities, explore related ETFs for individual stocks, and help you find ETFs that fit your trading or investing style. Let's dive in. As always, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. First, let's get familiar with the ETF menu. You'll find it right at the top of Barchart.com. From here, you can access the ETF Finder, ETF Screener, trading signals, and even rankings of ETFs by performance, yield, and a whole lot more. Each section is designed to help you quickly zero in on opportunities that match your criteria. One of my favorite starting points is new recommendations. Click here, and you'll see ETFs generating fresh buy or sell signals based on Barchart's technical models, from trend seeker to moving average crossovers. We can also adjust the time frame from daily to weekly and even monthly signals. You can select the strategy that you prefer and get a full list of stocks that fit that exact criteria. Once here, you can customize the view to your own trading preferences with the drop-down boxes at the top. Then, you can sort this list by signal strength, last price, volume, or whichever data point that you prefer. Plus, explore more tools at the top to screen this list, watch a tutorial, or use flip charts to quickly analyze the charts from this list. If you want to find your own opportunities, let's talk about the ETF Screener. Here, you can select pre-made screeners to get you started. This powerful tool lets you filter ETFs by dozens of factors like leverage, performance, yield, indicators, assets under management, and so much more. Using the search bar or the drop-down menu, you can select these different filters. You can also apply multiple filters at once. So if you want high-yield ETFs in the technology sector with RSI under 30, you can find that in seconds. So using this pre-made screener, let's click to see results. Once here, we can do many of the same things by sorting the list by which column we prefer, or use flip charts to analyze the price action fast. And here's a pro tip. If you have a watch list that includes both stocks and ETFs, and you want to screen only the ETFs, you can go back directly to the ETF screener instead of the usual stock screener, and under filters, search for watch lists. Then, select your watch list from the list of your saved watch lists. That way, the screener only shows your ETF symbols that are featured in your preferred watch list, making it easy to spot opportunities on the move that you've already had on watch. If you like this new screener, click Save Screener, and this will allow you to set up email alerts for new opportunities that fit your exact criteria daily. And then, save it as a watch list to track these stocks for new trading and investing opportunities. Another great tool for ETFs is the ETF Finder. The ETF Finder is great when you're looking for funds based on specifics across several asset classes like equities, commodities, or currencies. Explore various investing strategies, sectors, or industries. So, for example, we can find ETFs that are focused on crypto and blockchain, cybersecurity, or semiconductors. Take your pick. You'll then get a focused list based on your selections. You'll be able to explore and filter for leveraged ETFs and sort this list by any of the columns, like volume, performance, or assets under management. Whether you want ETFs in renewable energy, dividend growth, or emerging markets, this finder helps you quickly discover options you might not have considered. When you find that one that you like, you can always drill down into an ETF to see its top holdings, related ETFs, options market data, and breaking news. We can discover other ETFs here that fit the same strategy and explore the holdings. This is especially useful if you want to know exactly where your money's going when you buy an ETF. This can be found on the menu by selecting Constituents or See More under the Holdings tab. Once here, we'll see a full list of the holdings for the selected ETF, sorted in order by weight. So we can see the largest holdings first, and you can also save these holdings as a watch list based on the strategy for this ETF, so you can continue to track these stocks. And if you see a stock you like, or if you have a favorite stock and want to find ETFs that hold it, check out the related ETFs page. For example, here's AMD. If we click See More, we can instantly see the funds where it's at top holdings. This is perfect for thematic investing or finding indirect exposure to a specific stock through an ETF. Barchart's ETF tools make it easy to find, filter, and track the funds that match your strategy. Try building your own ETF watch list today and see what's possible with these screeners, trading signals, and finder tools. Now, the power is in your hands. No more excuses. You know exactly how to find the best ETFs to get you started on your trading and investing journey. So use these tools on the go to spot opportunities fast and get email notifications for trade alerts daily on ETFs making the biggest moves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and tools for investors on Barchart.com.